Hey you guys, the Chef Castro here. I'll be making a quick little late night dinner here. I'll be doing salt and pepper chicken. Right here I got about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. I'll be cutting up in quarter pieces. This is optional, but I use habaneros, serranos, and jalapeños. You could just use like serranos or Thais or Fresno chilies. 1 onion, 1 garlic. This is a mixture that I made. It is smoked ghost pepper salt, Szechuan peppercorns, black pepper, granulated garlic, and this is Szechuan cooking wine. I'm sorry guys, cooking wine, and cornstarch. All right, so stay tuned and I'll go ahead and piece those together. All right, you guys, here's an update. I have my chicken cut up. It's been marinating in the seasoned blend and the cooking wine for maybe about 15 minutes. I got my garlic here, my peppers and onions here, and my cornstarch right here. I'll begin to bread these in here, and then I'll do a shallow fry, probably about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here's an update. I got this frying. I got these in here already done. Because I want to keep flavor on those and don't have those dry out, what I'm going to do right now is melt some butter. And then after the butter melts, I am going to go ahead and add my garlic in. And then I will add my onions and peppers right after that. So stay tuned for the process of me sauteing those up. All right, guys. Butter's almost melted. I'm just going to go ahead and start. Add my garlic in here. All I pretty much want to do is just sweat this down a little bit, not too much. I'm not trying to brown the garlic at all. I just want to release that garlic flavor into the butter. All right, now that I got that sweated enough, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest, onions and peppers. Okay. We'll cook these down for a couple minutes and then we'll return. Okay, now I'm going to add chicken flavoring in. And I'm going to add some of the seasoning that I marinated the chicken with earlier. Okay, and now I'm going to add some of the chicken in. Bear with me. Okay. And there we go. Salt and pepper chicken, guys.